Hello, my name is Physiotherapy from Amazing Physiotherapy. I'm glad to be here today. Today, I want us to look at some exercises, some specific exercises to help relieve your knee pain. I've had many clients come to me and say, "Oh, doctor, I'm feeling pain on this part of my knee. What can you do to help me?" So today I want to show you those exercises that will be helpful to relieve your knee pain. Let's get started. The first two exercises will be stretching exercises. This will give flexibility to the muscles that surrounds your knee or that your knee depends on. The next two exercises will be strengthening exercises. This will give stability to your knee joints and the muscles that have indirect and direct relationship with your knee joints. Let's get started. Exercise number 1. This involves you lying down and bringing your leg up straight and stretching your leg up. Then you count 1, 2, and 3. Then you bring your leg down. Then you go again. 1, 2, 3. Then you bring your leg down. You can repeat this for up to 10 times. Having done that, then you can go 3 times. Why you can't for 10 times? So you do it 10 times, you rest, you go another 10 times, you take a rest, and you go another 10 times, then you take a rest. That's the first exercise that you should do to relieve your knee pain. The second exercise, this will involve you lying with your face down. Your face down, then you count like this. Bring your knee up to your back, just like this. Then you count 1, 2, and 3. Then you bring it down. Then you go again. 1, 2, 3. Then you bring it down. Then you go one more time. 1, 2, 3. You can do this for up to 10 times. Up to 10 times. Then you rest. Then you go again for 10 times. You rest. Then you go another 10 times. Then you take a rest. These are the first 2 stretching exercises that you can do to relieve your knee pain. So let's move to the strengthening exercises you can do. The first strengthening exercise, this will involve you lying face up and raising your leg straight up. Then you count 1, 2, 3. Then you bring your leg down. You go again. 1, 2, 3. You bring your leg down. You go again. 1, 2, and 3. You can do this for up to 10 times as well. Take a rest, go another 10 times, take another rest, then go another 10 times. That is the third exercise you can do to relieve your knee pain. The fourth exercise, lie with your face down. Then bring your thigh up. Bring your leg up just like this. Then you count 1, 2, 3, and bring your leg down. Really? This exercise is good not only for your knee, it's good to stabilize even your back. Yes, this exercise is very good. Then you go again. 1, 2, 3, then you bring your leg down. So you can do this for up to 10 times as well. And after doing that, then you can take a rest, go another 10 times, take a rest, go another 10 times, then take the rest. These 4 exercises that I've listed will go a long way to help relieve your knee pain. If you have any question concerning your knee pain, concerning your knee, probably your knee is not stable enough, your knee is painful, please ask in the comment section. I will be happy to respond to you. My name is Pelumi Hawoni once again, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.